business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know it's your boy be back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Of course, guys know I appreciate you. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You don't know who I am. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. I just want to first say thank you to everybody that has showed a tremendous amount of love, whether it be via the chat or it be you just literally DMing me on Instagram. I appreciate you guys. It is Monday, the day after Sunday, of course. Yesterday was Mother's Day. This weekend was very eventful. Make sure you check out my weekly vlog, of course. It should be dropping today. So the first thing I want to address, people that take my courses, whether you take a phone flipping course or you take the MERCARI electronic flipping course, you guys are given access to asking me questions after the course, of course, okay? I don't want to just give you a course. I want to give you an experience. I want to give you access into the community, the For Hustlers Only community. I want to embrace you. I want you to become someone, a part of the family. Like when I think of Educated Hustlers, I think of us as a collective unit that literally are just people that are consistently seeking for the next hustle. We are consistently never settling. We are trying to continue to make our lives better, improve. Down below, guys, I have the phone flipping webinar that is on the 21st. It is basically going to be a live class of me actually showing you how to flip phones, connecting you to buyers, connecting you to the buyer price list. You get everything in that one class for literally $77. Yeah, I'm giving you a chance to learn with me. So just sit there and talking to me. You get to ask your questions. You get to literally get the rundown on how to flip phones, my technique, and it's more of an interactive thing. And you get more than just one class, you get two, because you get the first initial class and then we do a follow-up class on the 4th. It's really, really cool. Furthermore, this video is about a lot of people have an order on the product box, but a lot of people don't know what the product box is. So let's dive into it, okay? Number one, if you are looking to become a reseller, you need some type of product. These products make a lot of money, okay? Number one, these do not come in these phones. So this is a new iPhone 14. You don't see a box, right? You do not see a box. A box does not come in here. Let's say you get this for $5. You can automatically sell this for $15 with somebody that don't have a box. I have people in cell phone stores that buy from me wholesale, and what they do, instead of selling T-Mobile or AT&T's boxes, they sell these ones and they make money, right? But let's say you don't have that luxury of being in a cell phone environment, you know, a cell phone store. What you can do is you can list on eBay, Amazon, MERCARI, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, really anywhere, and these are gonna sell. Because people, even when you're in the stores like T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, they're always looking for a cheaper box. Guys, I sell these for $12 a pop. Now, let's do the math. Y'all sleeping. These chargers, headphones, accessories, charging cords, all of that, those are guaranteed sales. Let's do some math right here. Got my handy dandy calculator. Not no mathematician. I'm not lying to y'all. Not gonna act like I'm some wizard, I'm some genius. I'm not. So we gonna do the calculator. We gonna use it, okay? You get 10 USB-C adapters in your product box, okay? $350 they're being purchased for. Because if you don't know, a product box, it costs $140. You're getting 42 products. Like this week, I know for a fact everybody's getting 10 USB-C adapters. That's $3.50 you're paying for them, right? So $3.50 times 10. That's $35 you're paying for that, right? Boom. You sell 10 of them for $15. That's $150. $150 minus the $35 that you spent on the chargers, you're making a $115 profit. If you could do that once a week, that's $460 that you're making literally just from adapters. Okay guys, so I am back. Got 10 screen protectors. Now I wanted to give you guys a real honest example, and this is an example because right now I'm actually fixing somebody's product box. So if we put 10 of these screen protectors in here, you can sell these for as little as $6. 6 times 10 is giving you $60. So we already know we're making $115 from the USB Type-C adapters. Now you're making $60 added on to it. Right now in the box, that's $175. You have literally total right now. So in my store, of course, I sell these for 20, but you sell these $6 a pop, okay? And these are like all types of different models. Plus, you got the 10 USB-C adapters. That is giving you $175 value. You're only paying $140. See, I used to actually sell the product boxes for $250, but right now, $140? Are you kidding me? You also get the USB to lightning cables, 20 of them. And I say sell these for at least, again, $6. 20 times 6 is what? $120, guys, okay? $120. So now total, you have $295 worth of products in the box, and the box only costs you $140. Then you got the charging cases, okay? You get 2 charging cases. John, you get 2, okay? And these are going to be worth, I would say I would sell these for at least $20. So that's $40. There you guys go. You have made $335 by pricing these products at the lowest price point, guys. The lowest price point. So I think you should really wake up, guys. Really wake up. Understand that you can do it. Don't sleep on yourself. Don't sleep on yourself. Understand that you can get this done. And I appreciate you guys for watching the video, taking the time to watch me. And I hope that you guys continue to make money work for you. Take $140 out your check and turn it into $335 each week. And guess what, guys? You're easily making $1,340 a month extra just by taking $140 out. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Peace.